Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 152nd edition release. And yes, it is release day. So I thought I'd give you a little something to stare at while I chit-chat a little bit. So don't forget about school. My Creative Time is taking you back to school. So if you'd like to join that platform, the link will be down below. Remember, all of my design team sisters, their links will be down below as well. If you'd like to use my code MOE for 15% off your total purchase, you may do so. Also, we are having the hop today, so make sure you are commenting on all of the designers on YouTube as well as on Instagram. That's for the release. I'm not going to take you through everything that I use to create my projects, but if you'd like to see those, make sure you refer to yesterday's video. And yeah, so this is the other thing that she released were the thin bow dies. You'll get 4 in this set. I really like those thin bow dies, really cute. Then we have Prim Hearts, and that will just come on one plate. These are separate together. I just got them on the one mat there. But we'll have the Prim button. We'll have the Prim star dies. Really cute. And then the paper, which is called Beneath the Fireworks 2025. And these are the papers there. I did save out some so that you can see everything a little bit more close. So we have the flowers and that little pattern on the back side. This is really cute. We have that pattern as well as that one. The dots and then the stars in the dots. And another color of the same pattern. Polka dots, and has a few stars and some script writing on there. Really pretty. I love this paper. And then we have the red. It's very similar in that, and then there goes the back side, and also has script writing on there. So that's her release. Let's jump into the recap of my projects. Start off with my 3x3 cards, and I did make a 3x3 envelope holder with that 3x3 card-based die, and I showed you that yesterday, but I just wanted to recap. Those do fit perfectly in there, so I'll be able to put 2 more in there. Really like that. I did make that magnetic, and then I also added some of the Prim stars along with those little Prim buttons, and I really like how that looks. And those are those thin bow dies. All right, and then here goes this one here, using the trifold 3x3 card there. Love that. And I just added that little paper clip on the end just to close it up. The other one is the little ephemera balloons and the bow here, really cute. I made 2 of those as well, and then just finish off the inside like that. And like I said, both of these will also fit into this little box. Hopefully I linked the tutorial of the little box on yesterday's post. If not, just let me know and I'll just personally link it to you. Next, I use this heart treat box die, really cute. Love that. Gives you enough room in there to do what needs to be done as far as adding all those goodies. And then I use that ephemera. This came from the Perky Up die set there. Yeah, just really super cute. Love that. And I gave you a way to package up some goodies there. I made a couple toppers there using the 3.75 by 4.75 card-based layer add-ons, and I just took one of those, folded it in half, and put on that Prim star along with another set of the balloons. And then there goes one of those sentiment dies out of the pack, and then you can go ahead and gift some of those little doggies there, because there's enough in the pack that you can share. And then I cut out some of those Prim stars, and then here goes that one there, and I just layered up some of the little Prim buttons there and then popped it on top of that star there, and then use one of the banners and then the little Prim buttons there. Really cute. Oh, I also used that thin bow die as well. Last and final card that I made for you. Now what I did do, I took the 2 largest stars and I added those together, and I just cut it out to have a border going around and put vellum behind that. and then put Let's Celebrate on top of there. Use the thin bow dies, and yeah. And this came from the 3.75 by 4.75 card base layer die, as well as this one here. And I did finish off the inside, but I didn't do much other than a layer. And there you go, another beautiful release goes down in the books. So make sure you head over to my Creative Time store, pick up some of these goodies, and make sure you use my code MOE for 15% off your total purchase. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Have fun shopping.